Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by seating the needle driver into your hand, thumb and ring finger through rings, instrument nested in the center of your palm. Once done, bring your index finger along the shaft to act as a guide and your little finger to support balance. Close the jaws gently and capture the needle about halfway along its curve. This provides neutral leverage. Make sure to feel the tactile feedback. If you squeeze too hard, you risk flattening the needle or losing fine control. You now control direction by rotating your wrist and using forearm movement for larger adjustments, not by moving fingers independently. Once the needle is captured, orient it so the curve points toward your target. Position for a 90-degree entry when possible, because that gives the most predictable bite. Use short, deliberate arcs to pass through tissue. After each pass, adjust your index finger on the shaft to refine angle. Make sure to release and regrip if the needle head starts to slip in the jaws. You finish by completing controlled, steady rotations to pull the suture through, keeping the needle in view at all times so you can anticipate resistance. Once done, withdraw along the incoming trajectory to minimize tissue drag, and then unlock the jaws smoothly. If the needle slips, regrip slightly closer to the eye or reposition back to the midpoint. This increases purchase. If the needle bends or you lose tactile feedback, stop and replace it. Continuing with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.